G'day everybody, it's Rusty from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a sound system from a Suzuki Vitara. Now, the tools you'll need today is a plastic spudger and a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so the first two sections we're going to remove are these two here, and they're held in with clips, and this is where our plastic spudger comes in. We're going to get our spudger under a corner, as soon as I can find a gap. There we go, and that whole piece will unclip to expose the screws, and we're going to do the same to the other side. There we go. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is put the shifter back a little to get it out of the way, and we're going to remove the screws that hold the stereo in. And the screws we're going to remove are 1, 2, 3, 4 each side. These two bottom ones are smaller than the other ones, so just remember to put them back in those places. And I'll show you the difference. Little short one and a little bit longer. Alrighty, so we've removed all the screws. Now we're going to take this section here, will come out. It is held on with electrical connections, which we are going to unplug, because at the end of the day we only need this part for repair. This part we're going to remove from the top part and put it back in while the car stereo is being repaired. Okay, so I'm going to remove this guy here by pressing that and pulling it forward. And the grey one, same again, press it, pull it forward. They only go in one hole. And now we're going to remove the stereo harness. Okay, so once this radio is out now, we've unplugged our electrical connections. We're going to remove some more screws. These guys here need to come out, and there's one each side there. Now, don't get these mixed up. These screws are a blunt screw. They're blunt for a reason, because they sit flush to the front of the cover. So just put those two aside so they go back in the right places. And we're going to use a socket and Phillips head bit to get these out. They've been put in by machine. If you try and get them with a screwdriver, you may strip them. So let's do it the right way. Okay, so we've removed all the screws that are holding this together. And what we're going to do now is slide the whole bracket off, and the radio can be separated like that, and that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.